This is the real Tom Rose, and we're dealing with a problem here which looks simple, but turns out to be a little bit more complicated. We're given an expression, n plus 2 times n plus 3, and we're trying to figure out which of the following it could equal. Now, of course, when you check the answer choices, it could equal any of the answer choices. But it's not until you realize there's a hidden constraint in this problem that it becomes more interesting. The hidden constraint is that n must be a positive even integer. So we actually have a very small number of possible values that this expression could equal. Trying to add that constraint, positive even integer, into an algebraic expression is going to be very challenging. So what I suggest that we try is simply starting out with positive even integers to see where we end up. So I'm using the rule here, when in doubt, try it out. And I'm going to put in the positive integer 2 plus 2. I'm just going to insert it everywhere that we have an n. Multiply that by 2 plus 3 to get 4 times 6. Excuse me, that's 4 times 5, which equals 20. Oh, and as it happens, the first one was actually the answer. That was pure luck. It could have been that the seed needed to be 4 or 6 or 8. 2 was simply the smallest one I could think of, and I picked that and it ended up working out. But in a future problem, you might need to plug in 4, 6, or 8, or even something higher to get the answer.